Hello guys, welcome back again to my vlog. Today is 1:10 in the afternoon here in Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. So I'm just hungry now. I need to cook. I cook something, a pork chop. So I already take off here in the freezer. So now I'm here. My pork chop. So I put a butter. So I flip clubs like that. Already put a butter, salt. This is the Himalayan and a black pepper. Yeah. Black pepper and that's it, and butter. And then it's getting close. There is a small blood we need to preheat. Make sure we need to hold a knife that slowly, because there is a blood. We need to make sure that everything is cooked. Then upside down. Ooh. We need to the heat. Adjust the heat. This is the pork chop in America. How big, how huge that one. That's freaking huge pork chop. Not in Philippines. Because look, there is a small blood, but we make sure inside of the pork is cooked so that they absorb. And so make more juicy and nice lunch. So we put in the top so they absorb. Oh, that's yummy. Yummy. And we put olive oil. Olive oil is good and is tasty. Okay. What I do is I put olive oil in regular oil. So you need to mix when you cook. But there's something tasty for the olive oil, butter, and salt. So you have a nice lunch. That's so yummy. And then we make sure, couple minutes, adjust the heat more, because there is still blood inside. Depends you guys how you can cook your pork chop. Medium, overcook, already cooked already. Make sure, be careful the splash of the oil, because they will burn you. It's too hot. Yes. And make sure when you're cooking, your son, your kids not being near. It's dangerous. See the bubbles. So one more. The flip-flops. Ooh, how gorgeous are they? Look at the pork chop in America. It's freaking it look like a steak, but it's a pork chop only. It's not a steak. It's huge. That's the food here in America, baby. couple minutes and I will be ready while cooking. Leave that one. So I have my rice. We have nice lunch with my son today. So here I'm doing my rice. I need to get a plate. Make sure that the camera you can see. We're both, I'm so freaking hungry. I think I have a plate. And I know I have a big lunch now. I'm just finished my live. And then what I do, I put in the microwave. So that we have nice warm rice. Me and my son. So, I think, guys, that's me and my son rice. I put in the microwave. I put microwave. Couple minutes. Cover. I put 2 minutes so that it will preheat the rice. And then we'll proceed again for my pork chop. So that while it's still cooking, I think few minutes will be ready. Look at that. Look at that. Pork chop in USA, America. Look like a steak. Look like a steak, guys. I'm telling you. Ayan, no more blood inside already. I want crispy. That's why me and my son can be crispy. I know to you guys you like over medium, but me I like crispy. So that will be nice and delicious. And we're covered for a couple minutes and we're ready to go. Okay, we have a plate. I think it's done. I know, so messy, guys. Help me to get this big. I like the butter, the sauce. Oh, it's freaking awesome. How bad boy are they? It's so freaking bad. Ooh, look at that. Then a little bit sauce. And then we need to slice so that you can see, guys. Then later, if I'm not finished, we slice. See? No more blood. So, that's freaking awesome. How juicy are they? That's our pork chop today. I'm freaking hungry now. Okay, I will get the rice, guys. So you will see, I will get the rice. And ta-da! Nice, nice. Look at that. So somebody's hungry out there. I have my rice and pork chop. See? Ooh, that's freaking delicious. That's tasty. A little bit salt, black pepper, olive oil, regular, you just mix, and that's it. Salt, and you can cook over medium. It depends you guys. But this is the pork chop in America, in USA. This look like steak, but no, it's not the steak. It's a pork chop, but it's huge. It's different in Philippines, in Asian country. Some other pork chop out there in Philippines is freaking small, but here in USA is huge, look like steak. But guys, I will enjoy my lunch with me and my son, and thank you so much for your watching this video. And if you're new to this video, give me a big thumbs up and press the notification bell, share, like, and comment below, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Pinay and Vegas 89. And to all my followers, viewers out there, thank you so much for your watching, and I will enjoy my lunch today with my son. Bye guys, and God bless you all. God bless us all always. Bye.